It's Anya, the illustration girl here. Today I wanted to show you a few tricks that I discovered you can do on mobile version of Adobe Fresco. I am thinking that it might be quite a fun app maybe to just play around with illustration. I'm not sure I'm going to use it as a professional tool yet, but I did try to do a really quick trick the other day and I really liked the results. It was really super easy and super fun, and I managed to create an image like this and like this in just over 2 minutes using two different apps, Adobe Capture and Adobe Fresco. This illustration is created 100% on mobile phone. And I think what's really cool is that you create a pattern yourself as well. Like before, as a designer, I used to spend so much time creating a vector pattern on Adobe Illustrator. And with Adobe Capture app, I'm able to create a pattern literally in just 1 minute. So that's really, really cool. Here is the Adobe Fresco app. You can select any size, but I find that tools are actually a little bit more limited. Like, I really love using the new shapes option in Adobe Fresco iPad because, as you know, I absolutely love Capture and I use Capture to capture shapes. So I unfortunately didn't find the option to add shapes as a shape into a mobile version of Fresco. But what I did find is this really cool new trick called Clip Layer, which works super well on Fresco, and it lets you to kind of make a layer mask in 1 second, which is really cool, really exciting. And my today's tutorial is basically all about Clip Layer function. I'm going to show you how to create this fashion illustration. You don't have to make a fashion illustration. You can make any furniture or even a character, anything that you like. But I just thought it would be fun to try and do something related to fashion this time. So I hope that you like the tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So now, as I said, I'll show you the step-by-step tutorial of how I created this illustration on my mobile. First, let's make a pattern. So I'm using a Capture app, and what you need to do is go into your files and choose a sketch, or you can choose a photograph to make a pattern. And you can check out these different options for repeated pattern. It's so easy, like you just press a button and it changes it. Choose the one you like, and then what's so cool is you can save it as a vector or a raster image. So that's really helpful because normally, like most of the time, I do patterns in vector. By the way, these cactuses I made myself, and I've got a video on how to make a GIF like this in my YouTube channel. Now we open the Fresco app, and I've decided to create an illustration of a dress, but you can do a chair or any other shape. So what we're going to do is find the reference image and basically just quickly trace the shape. You can do it with your finger because it's a mobile, you can't use your stylus, and just trace a rough shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's just part of the style if it's not 100% perfect. And then let's choose an image of a pattern from your Creative Cloud and use this new cool clipping mask option, which is called Clip Layer. So you basically just press the button, make sure that the pattern is on top of the dress, and then you will see that it will basically fill the shape with the pattern. Now I've added the background layer with a different color. Again, you can pick any color that you like, or you can even use your own pattern for the background. And now, because it's a fashion illustration, I'm just going to add a really quick silhouette of a woman, which I just took from a photograph I had. And again, obviously you're doing it with your finger, so we don't expect like super precise results. But for a really quick sketch, I think that it's actually pretty cool, and it comes up with a nice loose style, which is the style of illustration I actually really like. Now I'm just going to do a really quick finishing touch, and my illustration is almost done, and you can save it as a JPEG, save it on your phone, send it to friends, or send it to desktop Photoshop version and finish editing it on there. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. As I said, please subscribe and press the like button if you found it useful. I post regular videos about different tools to do with Fresco and just life and illustration in general, so be my guest and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, then do ask me in comments and I will try and answer all of them. So have fun with this new app, mobile version of Adobe Fresco, and see you in the next video.